it is now the fourth set in this match between the Philippine Army and the Maynilad. Thanks for hanging on. And that third set win of the Maynilad, we thought that they would storm out, no, going into the fourth, but it was the other way around. It was the Army
started really strong
and
continuing to get their points here again. And poor coverage at the side of Army. No one was there.
Everyone was on the other side of the floor. 16-10.
Alam mo, between Goliman and Artates, pareho silang with 3 blocks apiece. Kasi nga maganda yung tandem nila. No? Hindi mo sila yung magkatabi, diba? And Salak with 36 excellent sets. Ancheta with 39. Mervic Mangi. Oh, what?
Nice save.
From King Balse.
Oh!
Zagi's throwing it away.
Yeah, Rachel.
Medyo short din. Nasa gitna na si Rachel eh.
Yeah, and see her snapping her wrist. Sabi niya, it didn't snap that time. Sorry.
Kasi hinahabol niya muna yung bola eh bago. Ang goal niya is to reach for that ball. To go for the spike.
Ooh! Goliman into the net. Brings back the lead up to 6 points for the Philippine Army. 17-11 here in the fourth. Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Well, you know, Mayet Carolino and Rachel Andakis both have 15 points now. And Bunag with 13. Balse with 10.
Grabe yung scoring, no? Hindi nagkakalayo eh. If you have 4 or 5 players in double figures, ang gandang...
Thank your setter.
Ganda ng distribution.
Diba?
Ito na, the Maynilad squad